Hello everyone. So this is our fourth video on number system. In the last video we have seen face value and place value of number. So in this fourth video we are uh, learn some formulas regarding natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers etc. So first formula is for sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, so formula is for first n numbers. First n numbers means first n natural numbers. So remember, natural numbers start with 1. In the first video we have seen natural numbers, whole numbers, and natural numbers start with 1. So if the series start with 1, then 2, 3 up to n numbers, and we have to add these numbers, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. Then the formula is for sum of these n numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. N into n plus 1 upon 2. So n is equal to total numbers. For example, if the series is find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10, we have to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Then the value of n will be, there are 10 numbers, therefore n is equal to 10. Then put this value in the formula. So sum of 10 numbers is equal to value of n is 10. Then into bracket n plus 1 means 10 plus 1 11 upon 2. So now we can divide this 10 with 2. So 5 into 11. 5 into 11 means 55. So the sum of 1 to 10 is 55. Okay. So in this way we can use this formula. So this is formula for first n numbers. Remember, this is the formula for first n numbers, means when the series start with 1, then and then only we can use this formula. Okay, there is another formula for sum of n natural numbers. So the formula is Sn is equal to sum of n numbers. This is also Sn is equal to, so sum of n is equal to n into bracket n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. N upon 2 into bracket a plus l. So we know what is the n. N means total number givens. N means total numbers. What is a? A means first number. A means always first number. So write down here a is equal to first number. First number of the given series, and l is equal to last number. L is equal to last number. So sum of n numbers is equal to n means total numbers upon 2 divided by into bracket multiplied by into bracket a plus l. So let's check what the answer comes. We have been given a series 1 to 10. Suppose we have to find out the sum of 1 to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. So we have 10 numbers, therefore value of n is equal to, we write here n is equal to 10. Then value of a is equal to, a means first number means 1 and l means last number means 10. Okay, so put this in the formula. S of 10 means sum of 10 numbers is equal to n means total numbers, there are 10 numbers, divided by 2 into bracket a means first number, as we written here, a is equal to 1 or first number which is 1, plus l means last number 10. So now we can solve this. 10 divided by 2 means 5. So 5 into bracket 1 plus 11, 1 plus 10 means 11. So 5 into 11 is equal to 55. Again same answer. Okay. So these both the formulas we can use for counting sum of n natural numbers. But what is the difference between these two formulas? when to use this formula and when to use this formula. So this formula is used only when the series start with first number, that is from 1. Remember, very important. If the series start with any number, any other number, like we have to calculate 11 plus 12 plus 13 up to 20. Okay, so we cannot use this formula because series doesn't start with 1. Okay, so in such examples we have to use this formula. These are also natural numbers and we have to calculate their sum. Then we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. So n means there are 10 numbers between. Okay, let's take the example. The question is, find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. So first 20 natural numbers means from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20 is equal to question mark. So we know the formulas. First formula and second formula we solve with the help of both the formulas. First formula we have Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n means total numbers. So total numbers, there are 20 numbers. So 20 into bracket n plus 1 means 20 plus 1, 21 upon 2. Now we can divide 20 with 2, 10. So there is multiplication of 10 and 21. 21 into 10, that is 210. So sum of 1 to 20 number is 210. Let's check with another formula. Sn is equal to, we have second formula n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. So n means again total numbers. So there are 20 numbers. Therefore 20 upon 2 into bracket a. A means first number and l means last number. So this is the value of a and this is the value of l. So a means 1 plus l means last number 20. So again 20 upon 2 means 10. So 10 into bracket 1 plus 20 means 21. So multiplication of 10 and 21 is 210. Okay. So we can use both the formulas and the answer is same. Right. So let's take another example which doesn't start with 1. So the next question is, find the sum of given series. Find the sum of given series 11 plus 12 plus 13 up to 20. So now series start with 11. Therefore we cannot use that formula, first formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We cannot use that formula. So we have to use second formula, which is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Right. So what is the value of n? So there are how many numbers? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 20. So there are only 10 numbers. Right. So value of n we write here 10. What is the value of a? A means first number, which is 11, and value of l is equal to last number means 20. So put these values in the formula. N means 10 upon 2 into bracket 11 plus last number 20 is equal to. So again 10 by 2 means 5. 5 into bracket 20 plus 11. 20 plus 11 means 31. So 5 into 31 is equal to 155. 155. Right. So the sum of 11 to 20 numbers is 155. So whenever the series start with any number except 1, then we can use this formula. N upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Remember, a means first number and l means last number. So this was the formulas for sum of natural numbers, sum of natural number, plain natural numbers. Then second formula is, so second formula is for sum of squares of natural number. Sum of squares of natural number means these are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But sum of squares of natural number, squares of natural number. So square of natural number means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on. Means if we have to calculate 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square, then the formula is sum of n numbers is equal to n upon 6 into bracket n plus 1 into another bracket 2n plus 1. n upon 6 into first bracket n plus 1 into another bracket 2n plus 1. So what is the value of n? N means again the total number given. Okay, so this is the formula. Let's take an example. If we have to find out sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 10 square is equal to question mark. So let's check what is the answer. N means total number, there are 10 numbers, therefore 10 upon 6. Then n plus 1, value of n is 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So into first bracket there is 11, into second bracket 2 into n means 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, so now there is multiplication, 10 into 11 into 21 upon 6. So whenever the numbers come in multiplication, so don't multiply all the numbers. Remember, if we have to calculate fast, then don't multiply this number, like 10 into 11, 110, 110 into 21, something number, a big number. Okay, so don't do that. Instead, what can we do? So we can divide one of these number with 6. So directly we cannot divide any number with 6, but we can divide 21 and 6 with 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again, 10 is divisible by 2, therefore divide. So 5. So now the remaining numbers are 5 into 7 into 11. 5 into 7 into 11. So multiplication of these number 5 into 7, 35, 35 into 11 is equal to 35 into 11 is 385. 385. So this is our final answer. This is the answer of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square is equal to 385. Okay, understood? So let's take another example. So the second question is sum of squares of natural number, and the series is, find the sum of square of the following series: 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square up to 20 square is equal to question mark. So there are 20 numbers and we have to find out their sum. So n, what is the value of n now? There are 20 numbers, therefore 20 upon 6 into first bracket n plus 1. N means there are 20 numbers, therefore 20 plus 1 means 21 into another bracket 2 into n means 2 into 20 means 40. So 40 plus 1, right? So 40 plus 1 we can directly write here 41. 41. Okay. Now there are three numbers in multiplication. So again write 20 into 21 into 41 upon 6. Now same calculation we are going to do. We cannot divide any number directly with 6, but yes, we can divide 21 and 6 with 3. So therefore 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again 20 is divisible by 2, therefore divide. So now the calculations are 10 into 7 into 41 is equal to, so 41 into 7, that is 287. 41 into 7, 287, multiplied by 10 means 0. So answer is 2870. Okay, so remember the formula, which is n upon 6 into bracket n plus 1 into another bracket 2n plus 1, or we can extend this line up to this, and combinedly these three numbers are divisible by 6, both the same thing. Okay, so next formula is, okay, can we take another example? Let's take another example. In the first formula we have seen, if the series doesn't start with 1, then what happens? In the same manner, if this series given series doesn't start with 1, like if there is a calculation like 11 square, 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square, then what to do? Okay, can we use this formula? Okay, so what shall we do? We cannot use directly this formula. We have to use this formula, but cannot use this formula directly. Like Sn is equal to, so Sn is equal to, we cannot use 20 or 10. If we use 10, then answer changes. Then answer becomes 385, which was the first answer of 1 to 10 square. So what we do? So the trick is, find sum of 20 numbers. Find the sum of 20 numbers, that is from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20 minus sum of numbers 1 to 10. Means we have to find out from 1 to 20 all the numbers. Find the sum from 1 to 20 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square, and we have to minus or subtract first 10 numbers, because we cannot use formula directly for this particular session. So from 1 to 20 means we have to find out sum of 1 to 20 numbers, which we have now solved. The earlier example was the same. The sum from 1 to 20 is 2870 minus the sum of first 10 numbers, sum of squares of first 10 numbers, which was 385. So this was our first example. Remember, you can rewind the video and check. The sum of first 10 numbers, squares of first 10 numbers is 385, and 1 to 20, that is previous example, 2870. So minus means the sum of first 20 numbers minus sum of first 10 numbers. So is equal to, so subtract 2870 minus 385, which is 2485. Okay, means our answer for this section is 2485. Okay. Okay, now the third formula, formula number 3, is for sum of cubes of natural number. Sum of cubes means when the series is like this, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Okay, then Sn sum of n numbers is equal to, remember the first formula, which was n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So we have to square of this formula. We have to do square of this formula, and this formula will be of cubes of natural number. Okay, so Sn is equal to n into bracket n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket square. Therefore, so let's take an example. So let's take the cube of 1 to 10. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube. Right. So Sn is equal to, now we know what is the value of n. So there are 10 numbers, therefore 10 into bracket n means 10 plus 1 11 upon 2 bracket square. Right. So divide 10 with 2, 5. So 5 into 11, 55. 55 and bracket square. And the answer is 55 square. It is 3025. So square of 55 is 3025, and which is our answer? Answer of this series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube is equal to, the sum is 3025. Okay, remember first formula and then square of it is the formula for cubes of natural numbers. Okay, so you can practice more and more by taking any examples series from any number to any number. Practice more and more. In the next video we will discuss about arithmetic progression and geometric progression, which is very much important. Remember, there are two types of progression, arithmetic progression and geometric progression, which is very much important, and we will be discuss it in next lecture, next video. Okay, so till then, thank you and keep studying.